All right, now we're ready to make a classic caprese salad. So we're gonna cut up some really nice heirloom tomatoes. Got some different colors so it looks nice on the plate for presentation. Have some sliced mozzarella. And some people like balsamic and some people don't. So we're gonna do a little play on this plate with it, and then if you like it, you can use it. If you don't like it, you don't have to. It's classic with this dish, so it's kind of nice to have it there if you enjoy it. You could save these ends to put in your, I could chop these up and put them in one of the salsas that I made earlier. It would go good in both the corn and the pineapple salsa. I'm gonna put it some, this is fresh sliced mozzarella. I'm just gonna cut it into half pieces. Some salt. You can kind of be generous. Tomatoes take salt. Do a little chiffonade of some basil. Best way to do that, again, it's an herb. You don't want to get it too mushed up. It'll lose its oils. For a nice flavor, you want to make sure that it's not crushed, but chopped. So you just roll it up like a cigar. Just make small strips. That's what a chiffonade looks like. I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top. I've been short on basil before, and I just grabbed some pesto, made a little dressing, sprinkled that on. Works as well too. And drizzle a little olive oil over the top. These are kind of knife and fork, just being so big. But there's a little bit of the on the bottom of the plate for dipping. And again, some people don't like balsamic. So I have this thick balsamic. I'm just going to decorate the sides of the plate with it. So if you want some, you can use it off the side. It won't actually be on the tomatoes themselves. It'll make a nice little decoration. There we go. Caprese salad.